Guys, it is definitely time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price. The last couple of days I've been sick, but now I'm healthy again and back at my PC to deliver you some of the most important Bitcoin updates because, guys, Bitcoin is still in great danger. As you guys know, I'm still in a short position right now. This short position got scaled up to $6 million right now, still with $130,000 in a profit, but this could change actually any minute or at least in the next few hours because I'm about to take imminent actions on my trades. Maybe I'm even going to open new ones. You will know what I'm going to do or what my next move is during this video. So make sure to stick around till the very end, guys. You don't want to miss out what my next moves are here also trading wise. We will go through the big and also the small time frames so I can really give you a good overview of what we have to expect within the next couple of days and weeks and especially hours for you relevant as a trader as well from the Bitcoin price. Besides that, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell if you haven't already, smash up a like. Every single video of mine actually right now reaches 1,000 likes. So guys, let's reach that on today's video once again, and let's just jump right into the content. As you guys can already see, my short position now scaled up to around $6 million. This trade has a very, very high potential, but pretty much is almost getting invalidated now because, guys, as you know, we had a big, like we predicted it, a big sell-off here within the last 2 weeks. And looking also at the smaller time frames, we knew that we would get a rejection as soon as we got here this failed bounce. This failed bounce confirmation of our very important horizontal daily horizontal support and resistance between the $44,000 and $45,000 level. We got a bounce, but then got rejected at a 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level on the daily, but especially on the 4-hourly candles, and afterwards saw a massive dump to the downside. And we are seeing now something happening, which is maybe a sign that is not all too good for the Bitcoin bulls. I feel like that people, because of it, are actually getting into somewhat of a state of fear right now. The Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index also, again, very fearful. But this is because right now with the reversal and with the pump we so far saw at the $39,200 level is actually getting rejected, and it's not getting rejected at the 0.618 how you would normally see it with the dead cat bounce, the bulls really getting euphoric and really pushing prices upwards, but then getting rejected at the 0.618. This time, the bulls didn't even manage to reach the 0.618. The bulls didn't even get excited and confident enough to break the 0.518, which normally isn't the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, which normally isn't a problem for Bitcoin at all. This time, we already got rejected from the 0.5. So this is already something that is not looking all too good for my short position. I will close my short position if Bitcoin closes a 4-hourly candle above the 0.618. And in the case that we close a 4-hourly candle below the $39,200 level, that would be the time where I would scale up my short positions massively again. But also if we break above the 0.618, I would actually also go ahead and open up a small long position, because then the dead cat bounce is pretty much invalidated. The potential dead cat bounce is invalidated, and on the bigger time frames on the daily, we are right now definitely bouncing off very strong support that could help the Bitcoin bulls push the Bitcoin price at least up to $50,000. So I don't want to be exposed then with a massive $6 million short position. So far, I have to say, with the projection of the 0.5, we need to be still very, very careful. It's actually a sign that the bears are definitely still in market control, and I think the bears will use today to maybe try to push down the price once again, or tomorrow to push the price once again down to our upward sloping daily support. And what happens there, I mean, that's the most important thing. If we break that to the downside and we close a daily candle below this upward sloping daily support, I mean, that would for sure be a very, very bad sign for Bitcoin, because also the weekly candle in 3 days and 10 hours would then close very, very bearish, and we would need to expect a dump to the $35,000 level at least, or in the worst case even down to the $25,000 levels, with a potential wick even down to the $22,000 level. So that's what I'm still very, very, very careful. That's why I'm still very, very careful here at the moment. I have to say, it's not that we are in any imminent danger right now with Bitcoin. It's just the perfect time, especially now the weekend, I think, is the perfect time to keep an eye on the Bitcoin price, because the next move is going to to be decided very, very soon, either by a break above the 0.618 or a break below the $39,200 level. And I mean, I have to say, I want to be positioned in the right direction as soon as this move happens, and that's why let's wait and see what happens, and let's flip and take imminent actions on our trades if something happens now within the next couple of hours. Guys, if you enjoyed the content, make sure to subscribe, activate the bell, leave a thumbs up. Let's reach 1,000 likes like we do on every single upload. And follow my Twitter, guys. I'm posting some interesting content, bonus content there as well at the moment, like on-chain data and other things like chart analysis and so on and so on. So make sure to follow my Twitter at CryptoMo is the handle, so you don't miss out on anything there as well. But like I said, make sure you're subscribed, activate the bell, and yeah, let's see what the Bitcoin price does. Tomorrow there will be an update video for sure. I'm also still planning to publish my complete profit and loss statistics for the last 2 months, where I've been sharing what I'm doing with my trades in every single video in advance. So guys, stay tuned for that. Like I said, subscribe, activate the bell. We're going to see us in the next one. Till then, bye.